Professor Jaishankar, he is currently the founding principal director and professor of criminology and crime science of the International Institute of Crime and Security Sciences, Bangalore. Professor Jaishankar was earlier the directly appointed full professor and head of the Department of Criminology at Raksha Shakti University, now Rashtriya Raksha University, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. He was a Commonwealth Fellow for 2009 to 2010 at the Center for Criminal Justice Studies, School of Law, University of Leeds. He is also the founder president of SASVI, South Asian Society of Criminology and Victimology, and also the founder and executive director of CCVC, Center for Cyber Victim Counseling. He is the founding father of cyber criminology, an academic subdiscipline of criminology, and the proponent of the space transition theory. He is the recipient of the prestigious Nasi Scopus Young Scientist Award for Social Sciences in the year 2012. He is an international ambassador of the British Society of Criminology, BSc, and a UN expert on issues of victims of terrorism. He was recently ranked the 16th among the top 20 influential criminologists in the world in 2010 to 2020 by Academic Influence on academic ranking site Texas, USA. He earned a BSc in Biochemistry from the PSG College of Arts and Science and MA in Criminology and PG Diploma in GIS Management and a PhD in Criminology and from the University of Madras, Chennai. His areas of academic competence are cybercriminology, victimology, crime mapping, GIS, communal violence, policing, and crime prevention. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Lipakshi. Dear participants, I'm very happy to welcome you all for the first international workshop of the International Institute of Crime and Security Sciences. International Institute of Crime and Security Sciences is launched by me in the month of August 1, and now we are around 4 months old. That within this 4 month of launch, we have signed MOUs with 5 institutions and individuals, and we are progressing further. The main aim of the International Institute of Crime and Security Sciences is to develop a field called crime science, which emanated in 2001 in the University College of London, called as Jill Dando Institute of Crime Science. Crime science integrates multidisciplinary fields such as criminology, law, sociology, psychology, architecture, forensic sciences, medicine, odontology, and civil engineering also. So we look crime from a applied perspective. We are planning to conduct several workshops which will be helpful for the people who are already into criminology departments and other departments to take up our programs on either on the kind of workshops or webinars or cyber discussion or our certificate or diploma programs, which will be very helpful for them in future to get a job or to pursue a career or pursue a PhD program. So maximum we will try to ensure that the quality of the programs are maintained, and we are bringing wonderful experts across the world to contribute to our institute. And today we have Ms. Julian Kenny, a seasoned forensic psychologist who has contributed to the field significantly. And I'm very happy, Julian, you're here. Thank you very much. To see the perspective from criminal and forensic psychology is more into looking into the mind from a different perspective. So when it comes to criminal psychology, we are looking into the minds of the people, especially who are into the criminal justice system, starting from the police to the judiciary to the correctional officials, and also the minds of the offenders and victim per se. So it's a more in-depth reading. However, forensic psychology is a little bit an applied part where it comes in a different perspective compared to criminal psychology itself. So now I find that there are some universities which are offering programs on forensic psychology itself. For example, Rashtriya Raksha University, National Forensic Sciences University, or offering MA program in forensic psychology. However, the criminal psychology is a part of the curriculum of most of the criminology departments across the country. And I'm seeing that we are trying to integrate these two disciplines, especially criminal and forensic psychology, together in this workshop. And that way, Ms. Julian will take you step by step to that process. So we have divided this workshop into 2 parts, one as a basic one and other as an advanced one, for the benefit of the students. And the integration of basic and advanced will happen in a way that people today will be understanding the nuances of forensic and criminal psychology from a basic perspective, and later on Julian will take you to the advanced level. So this is only a workshop. So maximum Julian will try to provide you the knowledge and the wisdom of this particular fields. However, 2 days may not be that much sufficient from my understanding. So we will be starting certificate and diploma programs in criminal forensic psychology from January 1 onwards. As per the new education policy of the Government of India, any student can pursue two programs simultaneously and they can get certified. So that way, I welcome you all to join our certificate or a diploma program in as an add-on to your existing undergraduate program in criminology or psychology, or a master's program in criminology or psychology, which you are currently pursuing into. So we are launching around 10 programs of such nature, certificate and diploma programs, and this will be in a hybrid mode. So if you are in Coimbatore, if you are in Delhi, wherever you can pursue this program. And as such, the International Institute of Crime and Security Sciences believes in social justice. Normally, our fee structure will be comparatively low to any other elitist institutions. However, to run the institute, we do require money, and we will be moderate. However, if any university or a college is sending a large number of candidates to our institute, we are very open for discount. In fact, in this program also, we have given some discount to some of the colleges which have sent more number of people. So that we see that there is a mutual beneficiary aspect is happening in this particular workshop, and this will be a routine event from this month onwards, from November. So next week we are going to conduct a international workshop on research methods and quantitative techniques by Professor Geeta Suresh from the University of Louisville from the USA. So that will be also following the same structure and model, where a basic workshop will be there in the Saturday, and the Sunday it will be the advanced workshop. So we also try to limit our workshops to 10 to 3:30, so you can have your free time in the Saturdays and Sundays, and you can also think over what you have learned on that day and introspect more on that. As pointed, I told you that you are most welcome to join our institute WhatsApp group, so that continuously you will be getting more information. And now that Ms. Lipakshi has started a WhatsApp group for the IICSS workshops, so this workshop WhatsApp group will continuously post all other programs. And also 27th of this month, we are going to have one more webinar on criminal psychology by expert Dr. Subra Sanyal, a senior person in the field of criminal psychology. And that will be purely focusing on criminal psychology and not in forensic psychology. And it will be a webinar for 2 hours on a Sunday, that is 27. So please join that program also for a kind of understanding on criminal psychology. And the idea of IICSS to conduct various programs in various formats is working on. So we will have formats such as this workshop one, and then we have cyber discussion, which is normally a dialogue between the people who are participating in the program and the expert. And we have webinars, which will be more in kind of a lecture mode. And we are also organizing international conferences. So January 27 and 28, we are organizing the 5th International Conference of the South Asian Society of Criminology and Victimology, and where we have collaborated with an eminent institution like RV University in Bangalore, and that program will be conducted there. And the main theme of the particular conference is cyber criminology, law, security and forensics, and victimology, a holistic blend. So we are trying to integrate various fields of cyber, including criminology, law, security and forensics. So that way, if you are interested, feel free to submit papers. We have 4 slots of submissions. Now the last date for the first submission would be on November 15. So please feel free to submit your papers and also register for the conference. So we at SASV and also IICS believe quality should be maintained in any context. So normally SASV conferences, we have a rejection rate of 40 to 30% would be there. So less papers will be weeded out. Only quality papers will be given priority. And that we ensure that the criminological understanding in the country as well as abroad would be more appreciated that we do from the South Asian part a kind of a quality programs, and we will never compromise on the quality of any of the programs of SASV or IICS. And you are also most welcome to join our institute as interns. So when you get winter vacation, when you get any time, so accordingly you can join. And preferably we do that offline internship. However, if you have your regular programs disturbing you, so we can move on to hybrid mode, where you can do online for some period of time, and after that you can come back for a week or so and stay with us and do the internship. So our internships covers every part of criminology, criminal justice, law, psychology, sociology, from an academic angle. But apart from academic angle, a non-academic angle also, we do want interns who will help us to grow, web designers, content writers, even people who can run our new YouTube channel. All these type of things we are expecting, and since we are a startup, we would require all your support. So I believe that we have people in our WhatsApp group, even from the age group of 15 to 78, starting from school students to vice chancellors to former DGPs and former correctional officials, and academics and journalists and medical doctors also. So we IICS work on the principle of Karl Popper, called as open society. So we work for openness and democracy, and that way any views which you are bringing in, you can be very open with us. You can tell that if you can change this, we are willing to change. So we are very open for any suggestions which will be in line of thought with the institute, that is openness and democracy. So once again, I welcome you all to this important international workshop, and please keep supporting our institute. Thank you very much.